Foshan Linkstar Furniture Ltd. was established in 2007, located in Shunde, Foshan City, the Kingdom of Furniture in China. Linkstar is an office furniture enterprise with an integration of design, development, production, and sales. To offer excellent service and strong support for our customers, Linkstar pursues perfection, supplying higher quality office chairs. We brought sets of advanced hairwear equipment and manufacturing technology from Germany. From the accuracy of nailing to holing, from raw material to leather quality inspection, the progressive workmanship, processing flows, and universal superior material are integrated to build the excellent quality of Linkstar. Every piece of chair and components are up to BIFMA standard. Linkstar sticks to innovation, always push production. To make sure we can win from the competitive market, we always keep pace with international fashion. Based on Italian design, in accordance with ergonomics principle, regardless of Linkstar design, lifetime, environmental friendly indicators, or security properties, are built to international BIFMA standards, so as to assure every Linkstar customers to buy at ease, look comfortable, and use with a peace of mind. Our products are composed of high-grade aluminum security frame, environmental friendly and high-quality mesh, leather, fabric, and other materials, which are easy to be installed and disassembled. The main components of production are finished in our workshop so as to improve the stable quality effectively and control the issue of quality and safety of outsourcing accessories. We know that packaging is one of the most important processes. We use the best quality KK strong cartons to pack the chairs. Excellent packing design can deduct unnecessary loss when the goods on long way shipping. Linkstar technology, workmanship, and aggressive team working. We've got high reputation from our overseas customers. Linkstar products export to more than 30 countries: USA, UK, Italy, Japan, Germany, Korea, Australia, Middle East. The list is expanding. We've established long and stable partnership with some foreign customers, taking customers as our center and quality as the essence. Linkstar people keep pace with time and market. Linkstar as the office furniture experts, unrestrained passion, extraordinary shows, determined to innovation and entrepreneurial spirit, are dedicated to form a design language of Linkstar. Beautiful founder and disseminator, Linkstar will enduringly create new culture in fashion of office furniture.
爱美尔，大官办公益，耶！